this video, we'll show you how to change the air filter on your Chevy Silverado. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Using a Torx T25 screwdriver, unscrew the 4 airbox cover holding screws. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Lift the flange. Take out the air filter. Before putting the new filter in place, it is important to clean out any impurities or leaves stuck in the filter compartment. You can order the air filter used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new filter. You can now put the new filter in place. Put the cover back in place. Then, screw the 4 retaining screws back in. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right.